Every blockchain ecosystem needs a reliable gateway for users to interact with decentralized applications. In the Ethereum world, MetaMask became the de facto standard, onboarding over 30 million monthly active users. For Stellar, that role belongs to Freighter Wallet, a browser extension that has quietly become essential infrastructure for developers building on this fast, low-cost network. Throughout my 2 decades in IT, and particularly during recent years focused on Stellar and Soroban development, I've integrated numerous wallets into production systems. And in this article I want to share a practical perspective on why Freighter matters and how to bring it into your Web3 applications. Why Freighter is Stellar's MetaMask. Freighter, developed by the Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, is a non-custodial wallet that lives in your browser as an extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Brave. Like MetaMask, it holds users' private keys locally, signs transactions, and exposes a clean API for dApps to request signatures, without ever transmitting sensitive key material. What sets Freighter apart is its native alignment with Stellar's architecture. Transactions settle in 3 to 5 seconds with fees averaging around 0.00001 XLM, a fraction of a cent, compared to Ethereum's gas volatility. With the arrival of Soroban, Stellar's smart contract platform, Freighter now supports contract invocation, making it a full-featured tool for the emerging Stellar Web3 stack. For enterprises exploring tokenization, an area I work with daily, this matters. A tokenized real estate transfer or a stablecoin payment can be signed and confirmed almost instantly, giving end users a Web2-like experience. Integrating Freighter into your Web3 application. The official package makes integration straightforward. First, install it. A typical connection flow checks availability, requests access, and retrieves the public key to sign a transaction, for example, a payment or a Soroban contract call. You pass the XDR encoded transaction. The signed XDR is then submitted through Horizon or the Soroban RPC. Notice the pattern: your application never touches the private key. This separation of concerns is fundamental, and in my digital forensics work I've seen how critical it is to keep signing logic isolated from application logic. Best practices and common pitfalls from experience integrating Freighter into production dApps. I recommend a few guardrails. Always detect the network. Users may be on testnet while your app expects mainnet.